NT Racing, here we go. 22579. Everyone's getting races, baby. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Top is Jeff Gords, all the way down to Derek Kraus. I'll give you a chance to see who you've got. Get rid of it. Drop it in exactly where you picked up your spots. Again, some of you will have more spots than what you started with. Actually, all of you will. Little Blake's gift of magic. White Sparkle Pack, we'll do that first. Let's get a one-on-one auto. Some of these people may not be on the list. We'll figure that out at time of random. All right, White Sparkle of Riley Herbst. Dale Jarrett. Bree-woo, bree-woo. And Jimmy Johnson, Victory Lane. It's not too late to turn us in on this way. Do we go? Go for a swim tomorrow? All right, this is hella thick. So whatever this booklet is going to be hella thick. To 25, Legendary Masters, Dale Earnhardt. That's a great way to start. To just 20, NASCAR 75th anniversary card of Matt Kenseth. To 25, a bit of tire action. Look at that. That is sicko mode. 16 and 25, Tanner Gray. Congratulations, Tanner Gray. Who got Tanner? I wrote Tabba. That person's probably a mess. Tanner Gray, spot 9, Earlybergen. The good word does Corey Nicholson. Oh, wow, crazy patch coming up. This is also quite thick. Glove patch to 16, Chris Buescher. I love tie cards. This is also quite nice. To 10, Brandon Jones, retro material. That's a part of his fire suit. Bit of a logo there. They have so many logos on their fire suits. What logo is that? It's potentially not on this one. Oh, well. Once again, it's Riley Herbst to 99. Whoever's got the Herbst is going to be happy. To 99, Joey Gaze. 30 of 99. Fire suit signatures. We're seeing a couple of double ups here. Tanner Gray, 16 and 49. He's gone crazy with the pen there. What are you doing, Tanner? Tanner Gray back again. Yeah, you've got a little start of a PC of Tanner Gray now. Very nice, Brandon Jones to 99. He's of course got the. Some players have like a team representative sticker on there, which I don't really know what that's about, but it's cool. Some sort of licensing deal, I assume. And finally, to 99, it is an auto of Danica Patrick. Danica Patrick in spot 47, going the way of Lamana. And that is that for NT Racing 22579. Cool break. I love this.